Tensions reached a critical juncture, sending Israel in panic as Hezbollah avenged the death of a senior field commander by launching 60 rockets into Israel. In the ongoing conflict between Hezbollah and Israel, tensions escalated on Tuesday night when a senior Hezbollah field commander, Hussein Ibrahim Makki, was killed in an Israeli drone strike in southern Lebanon. Makki, a top commander in Hezbollah's Southern Front unit and former leader of the group's coastal division, was targeted while driving near Tyre. The strike, confirmed by both the IDF and Lebanese media, also wounded two others, according to emergency responders. In retaliation for Makki's death, Hezbollah launched approximately 60 rockets at a sensitive air traffic control base in northern Israel. Mount Meron, located about 8 kilometers from the Lebanese border, has been a repeated target for Hezbollah during the conflict, with the group launching large rocket barrages and guided missiles at the sensitive Israeli base situated atop the mountain. Several of the rockets were intercepted by Israeli air defenses, but some caused minor damage to the Mount Meron base, according to the IDF. Since October 8, Hezbollah-led forces have engaged in near-daily attacks on Israeli communities and military posts along the border, in support of Gaza amid ongoing conflict. The situation remains volatile as both sides continue to exchange fire, heightening tensions in the region. In recent weeks, the conflict between Hezbollah and Israel has seen a dangerous escalation, with both sides employing more sophisticated weaponry and tactics. Hezbollah has been downing Israeli drones and launching missiles deeper into Israel's north, while Israel has responded by targeting Lebanese border villages and carrying out airstrikes in areas where Hezbollah holds influence, such as the Baalbek district of eastern Lebanon. Hezbollah claimed responsibility for targeting an Israeli military center operating a spy balloon, resulting in the downing of the balloon over the South Lebanon border village of Rimaich. The Israeli army dismissed concerns about sensitive information being compromised from the balloon's sensors and cameras. As tensions continue to rise and both sides engage in increasingly aggressive actions, the situation along the Israel-Lebanon border remains volatile.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.